Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Happy Saturday. It has been an amazingly busy day. It's actually been a really good day for me. Very productive. Just a really good day. And I'm sitting here making some of the jump rings, and I do know that a lot of you guys probably make your own jump rings too, but I'm just I'm like so excited that I'm making jump rings. I don't know what to do, okay? But with these jump rings, all I'm doing is using a pin, and I'm using the 16 gauge, and I do need to make a lot of the jump rings because this is what happened. I ran out of the other jump rings, okay? And for all the bracelets, I'm putting a charm on all the bracelets, right? So I'm like, man, I don't want to run out and go get jump rings. I just don't want to do that, okay? So that's how it all started when I seen Juanita doing hers on the picture in the Jury by BDK Creator Zone there. So I said, let me try this. So all I did is took my 16 gauge wire, and now I'm gonna have to stock up on 16 gauge wire because I'm already in love with doing this. And this is a new little batch right here. So I figured, let me turn the camera on real quick. So all I did was cut some wire, the 16 gauge, which is like probably what you all do. And all I'm doing is using the pen, just a regular old writing pen. And I'm just going to wrap this wire around here. It's a little difficult to wrap because of it being long. I'm just making sure that it's nice and close. And I'm pulling the wire tightly. And I'm just wrapping. That's all I'm doing, just like what you all more than likely do. And I want to make sure it's nice and tight together. And that is all I'm doing. I seen somebody else making jump rings too. I don't know which one of you guys' channel I was watching, because I do watch y'all's channel. I watch a lot of you guys' videos. Sometimes I'll sit here while I'm working, and I generally, like when you make a comment, I'll go to your channel to see if you have like videos or anything up, and that's how I pretty much started watching certain ones' channel, because that's how I know you got videos on your channel. Like you'll comment or something, and I'm like, let me go see if they got videos up. Support for support. And then those of you that do have videos, so this is what happens. It turns out like this. And those of you that do have videos, I'll watch your videos. So what I do is I'll just let them run. I keep mine on autoplay. So like while I'm sitting here working, the videos would just play. And sometime I don't click like or make a comment because I'm sitting here working, but I am like watching the videos, right? So with this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I did. And if I'm not doing this right, you know what? It's right for me because my jump rings is coming out. So all I'm gonna do is clip it right here, like so. And that literally gave me a jump ring, but it's a little bent on the end because of the way that the end of that wire was. But now these are all the circles. So I'm gonna just take it here and clip, and it literally gave me the most beautiful jump ring. My goodness. Like literally the most beautiful jump ring. So that's another one I'm gonna add. And then I'm literally taking my clippers and putting it right at that end part and clipping it. And it gives me another beautiful jump ring. Perfect. Like just perfectly round. Ooh, I probably ain't never buying no more jump rings. Okay, they probably done lost me as a customer. See, this why I be on y'all's channel, watching y'all's channel, and then looking at all your pictures and stuff in that group. I'll be learning stuff from y'all too. And then we went ahead and clip that. Got another beautiful jump ring. And I'm just keep clipping working all the way until it's just a bunch of jump rings. Closing it off. Wow. Because you could basically, I'm going to probably do that too. Just take a whole spool and just do a whole spool and create a bunch of jump rings, because I do need to make a lot of the bracelets for the for the wholesale website. So I'm gonna probably I like to do that. Just take a little time, like for the custom charms, take some time and just make a bunch of charms, like an hour, 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. I didn't even did it for 3 hours, just making a bunch of charms. So even with this, I will probably take some time and do these too. You guys probably be cutting them more than one at a time. I'm not doing all that. I'm gonna take my time. And I know there's a faster way to do a lot of things that you guys probably see me do. But for me, I dig the the pace that I work. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not trying to rush anything. It's just the pace that I work. I know there's different tools you could buy to speed things up and all that other kind of stuff, but I'm good. I just like the pace that I work, because it's not a rush, or anything like such. So we're gonna cut this one here, and these are like coming out to be perfect circles. Look at that, like just perfect jump rings. I'm just so happy with myself. I don't know what to do. And that's another good one. And as long as these circles come out perfectly round on whatever it is that you're using, because I think, what is that tool somebody was using? I think she named it Miss Juanita. I know she named it, but I don't remember. Okay, that's the last one I can get. And then that's what we got. And then we got this last little piece like this. I'm not going to even try to use this. Could probably bend it, or I'm not messing with that. But let's see. That one's messed up too. So this is what we got. I mean, like perfect jump rings. Perfect jump rings. Okay. I'm so happy with myself. And all of these are going to be used for the bracelets, because that's what I'm doing now. Making bracelets, packaging these all up, taking pictures, and doing all that other kind of stuff. But I just stopped by to show you that I'm making jump rings using a pen. Y'all know I'm happy. Okay. Who? Don't tell everybody you know. But anyway, we'll talk.